This sweater, by the way.
I want the pink. You know that.
you.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you,
Mallory.
Thank
I
you, thank
love
you.
Melly Roncal, everyone. All right, so
All
listen.
right, ready, Freddies?
Yes.
You get 3 t-shirts. Your price point is $60. Do the math. You've just found $20 t-shirts from one of our #1 selling QVC brands, Denim & Company. It's all done in the same silhouette, but we're going to offer 3 different colors in the 3-packs. 3/4 sleeve, wear now, wear later. That simple, easy round neck in the So Soft jersey fabric, which means they're softer and more comfortable than ever, thanks to rayon, cotton, and spandex. $15 on Easy Pay. $20 t-shirts. Here we go. This is yellow, light gray, and chambray. Put a navy cardigan over it. You're done, right? This one is going to be our teal, alpine. Oh wait, we're a little bit This is, I don't know. We're going to come back to it.
That one's called pink.
Oh, blue slate rose.
Okay,
That's what it is.
yes.
Blue slate rose. Sorry. This one is teal, alpine frost, and white. The only one with a white t-shirt.
Everybody should get this one.
This is black, orchid, and pine, the only one with a black t-shirt. And then this one is your rose, navy, and tapioca. So remember, there are 2 with the name rose in it, but this is a rose salmon kind of color. And the other one with the rose in it is more of like a faded, kind of warm,
That's
antique
the one that you
rose.
saw on Morgan.
Yes. All right, Gary Gobin. This always is popular when you do triple packs.
I know,
It makes the price per t-shirt
You brought us the most
so
ridiculous
incredibly low.
deal.
$20 t-shirts.
It's the value and it's the fabric. So I will say this, you know, this is a fairly new fabric for us in Denim & Company, but already, guys, I get requests every day on when is So Soft jersey coming back into the brand. And even today, and I know she's watching and I don't remember her name, sent me a message on Instagram saying, when is this going to be presented? And I'm like, tonight at 7:54 or something.
Well,
like,
tell
oh
us
my
about
God.
the So Soft jersey then, so everybody understands why it's so asked
Well,
about.
because it's rayon rich and it's soft and it feels incredible against your skin and it's machine washed and tumble dry and you still have cotton in there and a little bit of spandex. So you're loving just the softness, the feel of this on your skin. You can wear it year round. There's no specific season. It's got your favorite sleeve, a very gentle neckline, easy to wear, décolleté coverage.
Maybe we should say it on the ladies, because 1,200 orders placed, you get 3. It was like with the readers. We couldn't shout enough. You get all 5. You get 3 t-shirts. And that's what we put on all the time.
I have an idea. Okay, so Katya's wearing one of the shirts from my collection.
Okay.
And Ellen's wearing the other one from this collection. Let's take this one over there as well so you can see what Morgan is wearing.
All right.
And then Gary, just take that one as well, okay? And now I want you to see this, okay? We're gonna come on over here.
So I'm going to Morgan because I've got Morgan's?
Yes, so you've got Morgan's.
I'm Morgan.
Take a look at this, right? So Katya and Ellen are wearing 2 of the shirts from this collection. Look at how easy they are to mix and match with different items in your wardrobe. They really, by the way, the color choices that you've put together, like the pack outs, it's like you know personalities and like, you know, who could wear what. So if you're looking for something that's gonna give you vibrancy, you're gonna take that blue and you're gonna wear that and you're gonna look great in photos. If you're looking for something that's calming and soothing, you're gonna see what Ellen's wearing in that beautiful kind of soft, almost like sagey green. And then you have the white as a perfect basic, but it's not basic at all because it looks so good.
A white t-shirt for $20. A white t-shirt for $20.
Can I also just remind everybody that if that t-shirt was on QVC.com by itself right now,
how much?
Not as a set, it would be in the high 30s.
You're getting all 3.
You're getting
for
3
$60.
for, it's like you're getting 1 free.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
I mean, $20 t-shirts.
Seriously.
So then I have Morgan. So here's my softer color, that rose. And then I've got this nice, easy slate. That's going to be your neutral in this trio. And then you want a little pop. You want some more fun for the day. You've got your blue. So blue, slate, and rose. We should go over them again. They're machine wash. They're tumble dry. If you already spent some money on jeans and sweaters, glasses, I know, but it's a $15 easy pay for a really simple pack of t-shirts that means a lot in your wardrobe when you have go-to pieces that you can count on and rely on.
All right, so listen, if you're picking this up right now, definitely think about picking up more than 1 set with that $15 easy pay. A 675608 is your item number. So this one over here.
Teal, alpine frost, white.
Beautiful.
I love this one. Yellow, light gray, chambray. Chambray does have a hint of purple to it, I think.
Yes.
Black, orchid, pine.
I love this one too.
Then you've got this beautiful rose that's brighter, navy, and tapioca cream.
And that rose is more of a peach.
Yes, and I'm glad they're next to each other now. A, I won't get confused, and B, I can help you. Here is your blue, your slate, and your rose here. Gary, what else should we know about So Soft?
Well, it's just a new fabric. It's getting excellent reviews. It's easy to wear and easy to take care of. Right now, you can layer it if you want as an underpinning.
It looks so cute under my sweater.
It does, yes, under a sweater, cardigan, denim jacket. And then, listen, when it gets warmer, and surely at some point it will get warm because it's so cold right now, but you will wear these with your shorts and crops and capris, and hey, maybe you're going on vacation and you're going on a cruise or something, you need to restock your tops. I feel, guys, like if you have a few of these in your collection, it's just going to be so much easier to put outfits together.
Oh my gosh,
Oh, agreed.
yes.
And can we go back to the ladies? Because Katya will be in the teal at a height of 5'10", wearing an extra small. Ellen's in that beautiful, looks like sage color that we call Alpine Frost in a medium at a height of 5'10". And then Morgan's in one of the roses, the one that comes in the blue slate rose combo. She's 5'8", and she wears a 1X. Took all night to get her memorized again, but I got it.
We work with Morgan every week. We work with all these ladies every week.
But I think I wasn't here last Friday, or I don't know, maybe Morgan wasn't. It's been a while since I've seen you. So I was very
Get your
confused
glasses.
tonight. I know, I'm telling you,
Get
the
your
glasses are helping me
glasses.
see, but taking my brain.
Yes.
867
Gary Gobin, thank you so much for being here.
Good to
Thank
see
you.
Gary,
you.
thank you,
guys.
thank you, thank you.
All right, listen, if you missed anything, this show was crazy busy.
Yeah, it was.
Go to QVC.com, search items recently on air. You could shop the show backwards. That big deal for those readers, pick them up before they're gone,
Right.
because in this show alone, I think close to 6,000.
I just looked at my wrist, our J bracelet. Doesn't that feel like that was a whole day ago?
Yeah.
That was just the first hour of the show, and everybody fell in love with our initial bracelet.
And if you picked up that tanzanite necklace or the earrings, check out of your shopping cart and get those home. Remember, you have 30 days to try them out, take them to your jeweler, see how they look in your own home.
Hey, guess what I'm doing tomorrow morning?
Oh, what?